Assalamu alaikum, year 5 students. Welcome back. This is your 6th lesson. Let's start. Our aims for today's lesson are for you to be able to answer questions correctly and to write your own email. For this lesson, you will need your handouts, pencil and eraser for you to write, and also a red pen for you to mark. Now the rules for this lesson is: number 1, prepare what you need before you continue. Make sure you have everything you need before you continue with this lesson. Number 2, follow the instructions. Listen to me very carefully and follow what I tell you. Number 3, pause the video while you do the handout. When you are answering your handout, when you are writing, pause this video. Remember, try to do it yourself first before you check your answer. And the last rule, number 4, check your answer once you are done and mark your paper. Once you are done answering, once you are done trying, play the video again, check your answer and mark your paper with the red pen. We do it all the time in class, remember? Okay, let's continue. The first part of today's lesson will be around these 3 things: where, what, and who. We are going to look at these 3 words and we are going to try to answer questions with these 3 words. Let us start with this part of Starter Handout 24. This is exercise 1. You are going to write down the meaning of where, what, and who over here. Where, what, and who. What are the meanings of the word? And then you are going to find the answer to the questions using Google. There are 3 questions here. Number 1, where's Neymar Jr. from? Number 2, what's a taco? And number 3, who's Usain Bolt? You are going to find the answer, Google on the internet, so you can find the answer for these questions. Okay, go Google and then write your answers here. Remember to pause the video while you answer your handout. Pause. Pause sekarang. Pause. Jangan tipu. Tipu dosa. Pause. Dah siap ke? Dah siap ke? Dah siap ke belum? Dah siap ke belum tu? Dah ke belum? Dah siap? Dah siap ke? Dah siap ke belum? Okay, take out your red pen over here so we can check your answers and you can mark your paper. Okay, let's begin with the meaning for where, what, and who. Where, mana, di mana, mana, mana. What, apa, 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 apa. And the last one, who, siapa, siapa, siapa. Okay. Now for the 3 questions over here. Number 1, where's Neymar Jr. from? Did you find the answer? Neymar Jr. is from Brazil. He's from Brazil. If you have that correct, you can write your answers. And don't forget to write these 3 too. Huh? Number 2, what's a taco? Did you find out what a taco is? A taco is a Mexican food. It is a Mexican food. Another tick if you have this correct. And the last one, number 3. Who's Usain Bolt? Usain Bolt is a sports star. He's a sports star. Dia jago lari dunia. Run, run, run. Let us continue with this part of the video. Now you are going to listen to the video and you are going to fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Okay, again, you are going to listen to a video and you are going to write the answers. You are going to fill in the blanks with words from this box, these words. Okay, so listen carefully.
Starter Unit. Language Focus. Exercises 2 and 3.
OK, where's Neymar Jr. from?
I think he's from Spain. And you?
I'm not sure. I think he's from Brazil.
Brazil. Yes, that's right. He's from Brazil.
Right then. What's a taco?
Oh, I don't know. And you?
I think it's an animal from Africa.
An animal? From Africa? I'm not sure. Is it food?
Food? Ah, yes. It's Italian food.
Are you done with your handout? Okay, take out your red pen so we can check your answers together. You were supposed to write these words from the box in the blanks. Let's check your answers together. Number 1, I think. I think. If you have this correct, put a tick on your handout. Number 2, and you. And you. Another tick if you have this correct. Number 3, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Another tick if you have this correct. Number 4, yes, that's right. Yes, that's right. Another tick if you have this correct. And the last one, number 5, I don't know. I don't know. Another tick if you have this correct. Well done, everyone. Let's continue with our handouts. Now, for this part, you are going to read this email and answer the questions that follow. Now, this email was sent to the internationalfriends.com from someone named Beth from USA. Now, you are going to read this whole email by yourself, okay? Pause this video right here and read the email from your handout. Pause video ni di sini, baca email ni dalam kertas kamu, and then answer the questions. Okay? Pause this video right now. Pause. Okay, are you done reading the text? Dah habis baca? Okay, now answer these questions. Fill in the blanks with your answers. Read carefully. Okay, answer number 1 to number 3 based on the text. And for number 4, please open your dictionary so you can find the meanings. Again, answer number 1, number 2, and number 3 based on the text. And answer number 4 using your dictionary. Find the meanings of these words. Again, pause this video so you can do your handout before you check your answers. Pause. Remember, you need to pause right here. Pause so you can do your handout. I'm waiting. Are you done? If you are done, you can continue. If you are not done, pause this video. Jangan tipu. Let's check your answers together. Number 1. Is Beth from Spain? The answer is no. She's from the USA. No, she's from the USA. If you have your answer like this, then you can put a tick. If your answer is not like this, then put a cross and write down the answer using your red pen at the bottom. Kalau jawapan awak sama macam teacher, then awak cuma write. Kalau jawapan awak lain, pangkah di tepi dan tulis jawapan ini dengan pen merah di bawah sampai habis. Number 2. What are her interests? She's into music, sports, and cooking. You can write like this. She's into music, sports, and cooking. Or you can write music, sports, and cooking. Also correct. Anything else? You need to cross and write your answer. Okay, let's continue. Number 3. Which words in the email have got capital letters? Perkataan mana yang ada huruf besar? Now, these are all the words that have capital letters. All of this yang ada huruf besar, bermula dengan huruf besar. Hi, my, Beth, I'm, Boston, USA, I've, Cranville High School, Boston, Boston Celtics, what, email, English, Spanish, I, Italian, by, Beth. If you have all of this in your paper, then you can put a tick. If not, put a cross and write these words in your paper right now. Pause this video so you can copy the answer. Let's continue with number 3. Why? Ada Y dekat hujung dia. Why ditulis huruf besar? Why the capital letters? So we write this. We use capital letters for the names of people, countries, cities, teams, languages, nationalities, and the first word of a sentence. Okay, this one tak payah salin. You don't have to salin this. Okay, I just want you to know this. Kenapa pakai huruf besar? Because names of people, nama orang, countries, nama negara, cities, nama bandar, teams, nama kumpulan, languages, bahasa, nationalities, kerakyatan, which means what you call the people from each of the countries, like people from the USA, American, Malaysia, Malaysian, and the first word of a sentence. Perkataan pertama dalam setiap ayat. Okay? Number 4. What are the meanings of the underlined words? Okay, the first one, and. Maksudnya, dan. Number 2, especially, khasnya. or atau, but, tapi. If you have all this correct, put a tick, a tick, a tick, and a tick. If you don't have this correct, then just write down the answer with your red pen. Let's continue. Next, we are going to look at when to use these three words: and, or, and but. Dan, atau, tapi. When do we need to use these three words? These are the examples. Okay, number 1. I've got 2 brothers and a sister. We use and when we have 2 things to say. I've got 2 brothers and I've got a sister. Saya ada 2 abang dan 1 kakak. So, saya ada 2 abang dan 1 kakak. Okay, so we use and. Number 2, email or message me. Email atau message saya when there is a choice, bila ada pilihan. And number 3, I speak a little Italian, but I'm not very good at it. Saya bolehlah cakap Itali, tapi saya tak bagus. When there is contradiction, berbeza. Now, I put the symbol over here. This is the comma. Okay, between and, or, and but. One word we need to use the comma. Before but, there must be a comma. Sebelum but, mesti ada comma. Okay, and or, tak payah. Just but. There must be a comma before but. Let's look at this part of your handout. Now you are going to write and, or but in these blanks. Read the sentences carefully and decide whether you should put and or but. Pause this video so you can do the handout. Pause the video. Pause the video. Jangan tipu, jangan tipu. Are you done? Then you can continue. Dah siap ke tu? Are you done? Are you done yet? Are you done? Okay, let's continue then. Let's check your answers. Number 1. Is her name Beth or Bess? Is her name Beth or Bess? If you have this correct, take your answer. Number 2. I speak English and Japanese. I speak English and Japanese. Another tick if you have this correct. Number 3. I've got your laptop, but I haven't got the speakers. I've got your laptop, but I haven't got the speakers. Another tick if you have this correct. And the last one, number 4. Are you from the UK or the USA? Are you from the UK or the USA? Another tick if you have this correct. Well done! For your last task for today, you are going to write your own email. Write your own email. Let's look at this handout. This is Starter Handout 27. You are going to write your own email for the International Friends website. Like Beth's email just now, macam email Beth tadi to International Friends website. Now you are going to write the same thing. You are going to write about you, pasal diri sendiri, your family, keluarga, your interests, awak suka apa, the language you speak, bahasa apa yang awak boleh cakap. Okay? Use these phrases. Gunakan ayat-ayat ini. I'm a student at, saya belajar di, I'm into, saya suka dot dot dot, especially, khasnya, dot dot dot, email or message me in, email lah ataupun message lah saya dalam what language, bahasa apa. Kalau boleh cakap Tamil, write Tamil. If you can speak Korean, write Korean. If you can speak Arabic, tulis Arabic. I speak or study, saya boleh bercakap ataupun saya sedang belajar, what language. And the last one, bye for now. This is the example of the email written by Beth. Let's look at it together. Hi, my name's Beth. Ada nama dia. I'm 11 years old. Ada umur dia. And I'm from Boston in the USA. Dia duduk dekat mana? So you can write I'm from Maran in Pahang. Okay. I've got 2 brothers and a sister. Adik-beradik dia berapa orang? And we're students at Cranville High School. Dia belajar dekat mana? You can write we're students at SK Seri Kramat in Maran. Okay. I'm into music and sport. Dia suka music and sport. Especially, terutama sekali, basketball. Dia suka basketball. You write lah badminton ke, skateboarding ke, football. My favorite team is the Boston Celtics. Okay, dia suka team Boston Celtics. I'm interested in cooking. Dia teringin nak belajar cooking. You teringin belajar apa? Nak cooking juga. Or baking. Or photography. Or making movies. What are your hobbies and interests? Awak suka apa? You can ask this too. Email or message me. Email ataupun message saya. In English or Spanish, please. Dia beritahu bahasa apa yang dia faham. I speak a little Italian. Dia cakap, dia bolehlah sikit-sikit bahasa Itali. But I'm not very good at it. Tapi tak pandai sangat. Bye for now. Okay, ini contoh dia. You can look at this example and write your own email. Okay, to kepada siapa? This one, international friends. Pause this video so you can write your email right now. Pause it. Pause. Are you done? Dah siap ke tu? Dah siap ke? Yes, dah siap. Dah siap. Good job. And that is all for today's lesson. Well done, everyone. Thank you for listening in to me, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye-bye.